teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ritika Maheshwari. I am studying in 4th A. Today I am going to recite a poem. My poem name is Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creatures. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and the fruits for free. There is a home for birds and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with a smiling face. Wins the heart in the life's race. Fortune knocks with its best. Those who care for their guests. Thank you. गाइस, अगर आपको मेरी पोएम अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने दोस्तों के साथ और हाँ, मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।